Welcome to the Cosmic Feast. Have you ever wondered what happens when galaxies collide? Buckle up, because today, we're diving into the fascinating world of galactic cannibalism. First off, galactic cannibalism is exactly what it sounds like. Big galaxies devour smaller ones, merging and growing in the process. Picture a cosmic Pac-Man, gobbling up star systems and interstellar gas. So, why does this happen? Gravity is the main culprit. Larger galaxies exert a stronger gravitational pull, drawing in smaller, less massive galaxies. Over millions or even billions of years, these smaller galaxies are pulled apart and integrated into the larger galaxy. Take the Milky Way, for example. Our home galaxy is a prime example of a galactic predator. It's currently in the process of consuming several smaller galaxies like the Sagittarius Dwarf Galaxy and the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy. This cosmic buffet adds more stars and gas to the Milky Way, fueling its growth. But it's not just the Milky Way. Our neighboring galaxy, Andromeda, is a notorious cosmic cannibal too. It's even on a collision course with the Milky Way. In about 4.5 billion years, these two giants will merge, creating a new supergalaxy. Imagine the fireworks. Now let's talk about the aftermath. When galaxies merge, they often trigger bursts of star formation. The combined gas and dust from both galaxies collide, creating new stars in a spectacular stellar nursery. It's like a cosmic rebirth. Galactic cannibalism may sound destructive, but it's actually a natural part of the universe's evolution. Over time, these mergers shape the structure and growth of galaxies, contributing to the grand tapestry of the cosmos. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, the universe is a dynamic, ever-changing place filled with cosmic feasts that shape the galaxies we see today. Thanks for tuning in and keep exploring.